Be ready. 10 seconds to go. Start. In a democracy, people expect the government to work for their welfare. This could be through the provisions of education, health, employment, housing, or the development of roads, electricity, etc. We can think of health in many ways. Health means our ability to remain free of illness and injuries. But health is not only about disease. Apart from disease, we need to think of other factors that affect our health. People get clean drinking water or a pollution free environment, they are likely to be healthy. On the other hand, if people do not get adequate food to eat or have to live in cramped conditions, they will be prone to illness. All of us would like to be active and in good spirits in whatever we may be doing. It is not healthy to be dull, inactive, anxious, or scared for long stretches of time. We all need to be without mental strain. All of these various aspects of our lives are a part of health. In order to prevent and treat illness, we need appropriate healthcare facilities such as health centers, hospitals, laboratories for testing, ambulance services, blood banks, etc., that can provide the required care and services that patients need. In order to run such facilities, we need health workers, nurses, qualified doctors, and other health professionals who can advise, diagnose, and treat illnesses. We also need the medicines and equipment that are necessary for treating patients. These facilities are required to take care of us. India has a large number of doctors, clinics, and hospitals. The country also has considerable experience and knowledge in running a public healthcare system. This is a system of hospitals and health centers run by the government. It has the ability to look after the health of a large section of its population scattered over hundreds of thousands of villages. We will go into more detail on this later. Moreover, there has been a phenomenal advancement in medical sciences whereby many new technologies and treatment procedures are available in the country. However, the second column points out how poor the health situation in our country is. With all the above positive developments, we are not able to provide proper healthcare facilities to people. This is the paradox, something that is contrary to what we would expect. Our country has the money, knowledge, and people with experience but cannot make the necessary health care available to all. The public health service is a chain of health centers and hospitals run by the government. They are linked together so that they cover both rural and urban areas and can also provide treatment to all kinds of problems from common illnesses to special services. At the village level, there are health centers where there is usually a nurse and a village health worker. They are trained in dealing with common illnesses and work under the supervision of doctors at the Primary Health Center PHC. Such a center covers many villages in a rural area. At the district level is the district hospital that also supervises all the health centers. A man who has never gone out of home has very narrow outlook. He feels his own way of living to be the best. He fails to understand the effect of environment on the life of man, but a well-traveled man sees for himself the life of different people. He observes for himself the effect of environment on their customs and ways of life. When a man is away from his home, he comes in contact with persons whose language he cannot understand. He feels helpless. When he has spent all his money and does not get more of it in time from his home, he finds himself in great difficulty. When he faces such difficulties, he begins to develop resourcefulness, initiative, and drive. The health service is called public for many reasons. In order to fulfill its commitment of providing health care to all citizens, the government has established these hospitals and health centers. Also, the resources needed to run these services are obtained from the money that we, the public, pay to the government as taxes. Hence, such facilities are meant for everyone. One of the most important aspects of the public health system is that it is meant to provide quality healthcare services either free or at a low cost so that even the poor can seek treatment. Another important function of public health is to take action to prevent the spread of diseases such as TB, malaria, jaundice, cholera, diarrhea, chikungunya, etc. This has to be organized by the government with the participation of people, otherwise, it is not effective. There is a wide range of private health facilities that exist in our country. A large number of doctors run their own private clinics. In the rural areas, one finds registered medical practitioners, RMPs. Urban areas have a large number of doctors, many of them providing specialized services. There are hospitals and nursing homes that are privately owned. Stop.